Alright, this is how to play Gacha Life on PC without an emulator. It is fast and easy. First, search for Google Play Games Windows in your search engine. Go to the first result about Google Play Games on Windows PC. Click the download beta button. This is an official app made by Google. It lets you play Android games directly on your Windows PC. It is still in beta testing, but it works very well. It supports many popular games, including Gacha Life. After it downloads, find the installation file on your computer. Launch it. You will see a welcome screen. You can change where it installs if you want, or leave it as is. Click Install. Wait a moment while it downloads the needed files. It will complete the setup. When finished, Google Play Games will start by itself. Sign in with your Google account. Set up a new profile or use one you already have. Then continue. You will see Terms of Service. Click Accept if you agree. Next, the app asks if you want to send usage data to Google. It also asks about crash reports. These help improve the app. I prefer privacy, so I turn these off. You can choose what feels right for you. Click Finish. Now you are in the main dashboard of the app. Look for the search icon in the left panel. Click it, type Gacha Life, and press Enter. Find the game in the results. Click on it to see the game page. Notice the Playable indicator on the page. This means the game has been tested. It is verified to work well on PC. The game will run smoothly. No extra setup is needed. Click Install to download and install the game on your PC. It will ask if you want a desktop icon for the game. This choice is up to you. After it finishes downloading and installing, click Play. This launches the game. You are now ready to play. But let me show you a few more things. In the right panel, you will find some settings. One is for visual settings. Here you can change the screen resolution. This helps if you need better performance, or if you prefer a different layout. If you change this setting, restart the app. You can also change the mouse pointer size. Make it larger or smaller if you want. There is also a maximum FPS setting. You can pick 30 Hz or 60 Hz. For smoother graphics, use 60 Hz. If your computer is slower, 30 Hz might work better. You may need to restart the game after changing this. To make the game fill your screen, click the full screen icon, or press F11 on your keyboard. To exit full screen, press F11 again. There you have it. Now you can enjoy Gacha Life on PC. No emulator is needed. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.